Welcome to this tutorial on assigning attributes to a planning area in SAP IBP. If you want to use the newly added attribute in a planning area, you must assign attributes to the planning area. In this tutorial, you will learn how to assign attributes to a planning area, step by step. Section 1. Accessing the planning area's app and initiating the process. Step 1. Enter the planning area ID or name to be assigned in the search field. For example, the planning area ID could be IM. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IM planning area and click it to enter the planning area. Section 2. Assigning attributes to the planning area. Step 1. Now that we've accessed the planning area, let's click the Attributes tab to assign attributes. Step 2. On the Attributes tab, click the Add button. Step 3. Enter the attribute ID or name you want to add in the search field. For example, the attribute ID could be a check. Keep in mind, decimal attributes cannot be directly assigned to a planning area. However, you can create a key figure based on a decimal attribute if needed. Step 4. Click the search icon. Step 5. Locate the ICheck attribute and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional attributes as needed. Step 6. After adding the attributes, click the Add button. To summarize, assigning attributes to a planning area in SAP IBP involves accessing the planning area's app and assigning the desired attributes. Additionally, you can configure settings for the attributes you added to the planning area, such as the planning area attribute name or business meaning. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.